Mwiriwe neza.
Nifuza ko tuyaga mu ruhe rurimi?
Congereza.
Congereza. Can you please tell us who is the contestant 50 and the region she's representing in this competition of Miss Burundi?
Thank you. Good evening, everyone, esteemed judges and honorary guests. My name is Nehma Shimirimana. I'm 21 years old, working in a tailoring company named Z&V Couture, a small online business owner, and I'm very honored to stand before you today to represent the beautiful province of Gitega. In our country, nearly 70% of women, especially those in underserved communities, face significant barriers to finding stable employment. This is particularly women aged 18 to 35 who represent a large portion of the workforces, yet have limited access to vocational training and career advancement. As an instructor tailor, I know how valuable this skill can be, and that's why I'm launching this project, Women Empowerment Through Tailoring. It has 4 main objectives: to teach practical skills. Women will learn how to sew, designing, and basic management to turn their skill into a source of income. To create opportunities. This initiative will provide women with opportunities to start their own businesses or finding work in the growing fashion industry. Encourage self-reliance. Through training, women will gain the confidence and resources they need to take control of their financial or personal growth. Strengthen communities. When women are financially independent, their family and communities are also uplifted. By supporting this project, we can transform lives and inspire a generation of young Burundian women to believe in their potential and the power of their skill. Many women, particularly in the Muslim community, may not have access to such opportunities, and I aim to be their voice. Let's move forward together, twende pamoja, ingo tujane, to create a future where Burundian women are empowered, independent, and leaders in their own right. Thank you.
Thank you, Nehma. Please pick a piece of paper from the first. Can you please start with this first, the first? Thank you. Read the number of the question and the question itself, and go ahead and answer it.
Number 24. Le premier président démocratiquement élu du Burundi a été assassiné à quel jour, mois et année? Il a été assassiné le 21 octobre 1993. This is question number 1. Lorsqu'on parle des femmes leaders, quel exemple inspirant de femmes leaders vous viennent à l'esprit et expliquez pourquoi? Au moins 2 exemples. Il y a Sada Nahimana, une jeune, it's a tennis player, sorry I have to say it in English. And there is Mireille Kamariza. It's a scientific who create the diagnostic something to protect about sorry, I don't remember, but it's a scientific.
Okay. Please, Nehma, can you please stand? Thank you.
Question numéro 12. La zone Gagara était anciennement appelée Okaf, qui signifie en toutes lettres.
Sorry, you have multiple choices of questions. The first one is origine des cités africaines. The second one is organisation des cités africaines. The third one, organigramme des cités africaines. And the fourth one is office des cités africaines. Do you want me to repeat?
Yes, please.
The first one, origine des cités africaines. Organisation des cités africaines. Organigramme des cités africaines. Office des cités africaines.
Office des cités africaines.
Thank you.